Welcome back. This is Satya. In this video, I am going to explain you about Java 13 features. This is a text blocks. We are going to discuss about what is text blocks and what is the advantage we are going to get as a developer using the text blocks. We will see. Text blocks is a multi-line string literal. So when we write a string, we use a double quote to write a string, and it can be a string single line or multi-line, but we'll see the problem while writing the multi-line and how text blocks are resolving that issue. Here text blocks resembles concept like static block or instance block or try block, catch block, something like it seems like some block. Yes, it is like more than one line of code or text. So here we are talking about text blocks. So text which contain across lines, like multiple lines, then it is considered as a text blocks. And in Java 13 onwards, it is represented in a different way. What is the notation? And we'll see with example here. Let me jump to Eclipse. Here let me write some string. Hello, welcome to Java Beam. This is how we write a single line. And if I want to write a multiple lines, for example, I want to write a email. How we write something like something so and so, and this is how we write email. Email, it comes across multi lines. So the problem here is the formatting is very difficult here. I need to concatenate all the strings, and each string should be start with the double quote and end with the double quote. In between, if I want to highlight something to keep some double quotes, I cannot keep without any escaping sequences. I need to keep escape character, then only I can write a double quote. This is reducing the readability, and it is not giving better control to the developer to format. Let's say I have a lot of string which contains HTML. There I have divs and so many things, HTML attributes. So at the time I cannot go for this string literal, which is uncomfortable for developer to format that HTML. Or let's say you have SQL query, it comes across multi-line, probably 20 lines or 30 lines at the time. If you are going for a string literal, that is a big problem. We cannot format SQL properly. So Java 13 came up with a new concept called text blocks. There multi-line strings can be written easily. Let's say this is the email. Let me run this. Let me run this program, and we'll convert this to text blocks. So this is working. Now here if I want multi lines, I have to keep the /n, because this is the email format. Email comes in email body contain multi lines, not in single line. So this is how we have to write. We have to keep /n's all over the strings. In every line we need to keep. Let me convert this to text blocks. So text block notation is a triple double quote. The text comes inside the triple double quote is considered as a text blocks. So this is where we can write a multi-line string. Let me copy this string and we'll convert to text blocks. So this is not a special thing. This is the way we write multi-lines in Java 13 using triple quote, but it's still a string type it's not a new data type, but it is treated differently by the compiler and runtime environment to consider the block of code. So here we can remove the slash ends because it's not required. It treats each line as ends with the slash n by default, and we no need to keep double quotes everywhere. And yeah, remove this one, and the concatenation is not required. Yeah, this is how we write text blocks. Let me run this one. See, this is how exactly we have written. It is coming like this, and even we can remove these escaping characters, still it works perfectly. This is how we write the text blocks. See here, the advantage is it is giving a better control to the developers to write a free form text whatever he want. He can write HTML piece of code here, like HTML divs or SQLs or JSON objects. These are all lengthy block of strings. It can be managed easily using text blocks. This is where we were writing multi-line string literals, and this I have converted to text blocks. See how the readability is improved, and how we can do a better manage the text. Yeah, that's all about text blocks. After knowing the text blocks, developers are tend to write text blocks for multi-line strings. This is very good feature. Yeah, that's all about text blocks. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. Yeah.